All right, so good morning, everyone. I think uh, I think it's time for group presentations. So group one, please. So group one, we have Trần Thùy Dương, Vũ Thị Thanh Vân, Bùi Cao Tuấn, and Hoàng Tuấn Linh. All right. So are you ready? Group
Yes.
one, are you ready? Okay, good. So it's the time to take the floor. Yes, please.
Good morning, everyone. We are group one, and our group have four members: Trần Thùy Dương, Vi Thanh Ngân, applications of Web 2.0 tools, which almost used in speaking session. They are Tokbox and Vocaroo. First, let's have some looks with our main content. Our presentation had 5 parts, 0 tools, and then the use of Tokbox and Vocaroo. After that, we will summarize it and see how it works in real activity and how much understand about these two applications. Let's start with the overview. What is Web 2.0 tools? You can see at this slide the definition, the current state of online technology as it compares to the early days of the web, characterized by greater user interactivity and collaboration, more pervasive network connectivity, and enhanced communication channels. Um, we are Uh, Here are the differences between Web 2.0 and Web 1.0. We have some aspects here. First and foremost is a connection speech. Of course, Web 2.0 is higher than Web 1.0. About the content, with Web 2.0, users can create their own content, contribute to each other content, such as wikis. While in a Web 1.0, users are not allowed to add content to Web 1.0. View only. The contents are added by webmasters and the owners of the website. We can easily claim that the interaction of Web 2.0 is more complex than Web 1.0. In brief, we want to say that the main difference between Web 2.0 and Web 1.0 allows to actively social interact, collaborate between internet users and content providers. Here are some application of Web 2.0. We have Fovo and Web Speech API, Quickly and Let's Tutor, Penju and iBrother, ESLDL and Research and Route. Now let's move on the main part.
Group one, please unmute your microphone. Yes, thank you. Group one, where are you? Please unmute your microphone. Because we have new friends coming, so they don't mute the microphone, so that happens. All right, so please continue. Thank you.
Okay, so I will continue our presentation. So after considering the definition of Web 2.0 tools, the difference between Web 2.0 tools versus the traditional ones and the different types of applications of Web 2.0 tools. Now I would like to introduce you about Tokbox, which is usually applied in teaching and learning speaking lesson. Remember here, we often apply Tokbox in teaching and learning speaking lesson. So firstly, So firstly, have you ever thought about what is Tokbox? Of course, not yet, right? So Tokbox is a free video communication platform which works in the browser without requiring download. Remember here is we don't need to download any additional software, which means that we can have online social interaction and also have online collaboration as well. But the question is why? Why do we should use Tokbox to apply in teaching speaking? Meanwhile, there are a lot of online applications that allow us to do the same thing because it lies in the outstanding benefits of Tokbox. One of them is manageability. Okay, in fact, with the manageable feature of Tokbox, it's easy for user to create a website which allow us to have real-time communication. We can invite other people to enjoy the face-to-face communication in the browser, for example. And of course, we can allow the talk finish whenever we want. Next, full customizability, which means we have full control to create the website or application the last one is easy mobility. With this feature of Tokbox, we don't need to open a laptop to use Tokbox because now it's easy for us to use a smartphone to communicate online with other people in the browser. So now the question is how to use Tokbox. So here we have a video which is made by our group. So please enjoy it to know how to use Tokbox.
This video will show you how to use Tokbox for speaking session. First, access the link tokbox.com. Here is the interface of Tokbox.
That is so cool. Yeah, that's very good. It's a very good proof of using ICT in teaching. Thank you, group. Thank you. Thank you.
Here. And your last name here, your email, your company name, and the last one is your password. Blah blah blah. Okay. Then click I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You can see redeem your $10 credit here. Actually, you don't have to pay $10 immediately. You can use trial mode, and if you want to buy it, you can pay later on. Click it. At this step, Tokbox want to know more about you. It's not really necessary, so you can fill on the blank and click next, or you can click skip. It's up to you. After two steps, you have to accept your email address to activate your Tokbox. After activating, you can log in Tokbox account. Click login. Enter your email here and your password. Okay, here is the interface of your Tokbox account. To start a video chat for speaking session, click on Tool on taskbar, then select Open Top Playground. Continue with video chat app. Okay, on the right side of the screen, you can see click to start a video chat. Click it and you can see yourself. After that, you can save this video for others to watch. Here is your link. Click to this icon to copy it. And now you can share it to your students to invite them to join the lesson. It is how we use Tokbox for speaking lesson. Thanks for your watching.
Okay, so here are some rules of usage. First of all, we need to register to use Tokbox, and remember, we also have to pay monthly fees for further functions. And here are some notice. First of all, the Tokbox has some limit, that is the size of the class. For the free version, we have only 3 members. If you want to upgrade, you have to pay fee. Okay, and next one is you have to pay monthly fees for users as well. Okay, so now we will move to next application.
We have listened about Tokbox tool. Now I will to introduce another tool integrating into a speaking skill, which is Vocaroo tool. The first one, I want to introduce the definition of Vocaroo. You can see in the slide, Vocaroo is a free service that allows users to create audio recordings without the need to install any software. Secondly, the main points. The first one, free to use. You don't need to download to use. You can use directly on the internet. And you don't have to pay any fee for this. Second one, easy to use. The tool doesn't require knowledge of language for creating web and web application. Once you have a Flash player installed and a microphone, it's easy to use. And the third one, Vocaroo can be accessed directly without logging to an account, and it's necessary to log in. And the final one, shareable. The voice message can be shared on blogs, websites, and social networking sites. The link to the audio can be shared just by copying and pasting. And the record can be downloaded in different formats, which such as include MP3, WAN. And now I want you to watch short video to know how to use Vocaroo.
Hi guys, this video will show you how to use Vocaroo. First, you have to access Vocaroo by the link vocaroo.com. As you can see, to get started, all you have to do is click on the big red record button. When the connection will stop spinning, you will be able to hit permission for Vocaroo to accept your microphone. It is necessary that you click allow. Then you will see a click to stop button with a blinking orange border. It means that you are recording, so start talking immediately. With Vocaroo, you can talk as long as you want. When you finish, click stop, and you will see the retry and button listen. Click listen if you want to play it back, and click retry if you want to do the whole thing over. After your final listen and you know you want to keep this recording, simply click here to save. Now you will see the page with your sharing option. We have Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Gmail, Google Plus, and so on. We also have some format option here to download. Most popular, I think, is MP3. Then click it. and the browser will do it for you automatically. This is how you will see the Vocaroo. Thanks for your watching.
After watch this video, I hope you guys will also know how to use it. And besides the benefits of Vocaroo, is also drawback. Recording are available for few months, usually 6 months, and it's not convenient for you if you want to keep this recording more than 6 months.
Okay. At the end of our presentation, I will summarize Tokbox and Vocaroo application. At first, neither of them require additional software install. Secondly, moving their features. Tokbox allows video creators to invite unregistered users to the code via email, IM, or URL. And its free education version allows video chat up to 3 people only. Remember, up to 3 people only. And you can re-record a video message and send them by email to each other. Next to Vocaroo, it is to record your voice, and voice recording. Okay, sorry, it does not limit audio length. Voice recording will save as an audio file through a link. It does not require registration, but it will require your email when you want to submit your recording to the teacher. Okay, and there is notice for Tokbox and Vocaroo. The Tokbox is at least 13 years old, and Vocaroo is appropriate for elementary age students. And then we will watch a video about applying Tokbox and Vocaroo in teaching, especially speaking session.
Okay, so please enjoy it.
Hi class, in previous lesson, we read and knew of some important inventions, which was invented to meet people's demand. And today we will discuss inventions in our life together in speaking session.
Yes.
Okay, first, let's work in pairs. Make a conversation with your partner about an invention. Remember, you have to mention the name of the invention, its characteristics, how to use it, and its benefits. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, and I will give you 2 minutes to discuss. 2 minutes start. What?
Okay.
We start speaking teacher. What's that machine? That is like a computer.
It's the same with it is the same with the printer, the original one and the original one. But the difference here is it's a color 3D printer, you know?
Oh, yes. I don't know what it for.
Of course, it's used for producing solid objects, which is similar to the original one. And I think that we can use it to print documents or even pictures as well.
Oh, yes. I think it's awesome education.
Yeah.
Okay, time stop. Can you present? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What's that machine? But it looks like a bigger, but it's bigger and heavier.
Yeah, of course, it's a little bit bigger and heavier, but it's a kind of 3D printer. I just bought it last week.
Oh, really bigger?
Yeah.
It is for.
Well, as I said earlier, it's used for producing solid objects, which is similar to the application.
Really?
Yeah.
For example?
You can make things, for example, like a cup, a spoon, or even a toy cup.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
That means I make my own things at home and save lots of money.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You're right.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Yes. Well,